Looking for the best metal detectors in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated metal detectors for beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're hunting for coins, relics, or gold, we got you covered with expert insights, features, and performance comparisons. Discover which detector offers the best value, accuracy, and durability. Stay tuned to find your perfect treasure hunting companion and start your adventure today. Number 3. The GreenRex Metal Detector for Adults Professional is a feature-packed and budget-friendly option designed for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. With its upgraded DSP chip and auto-balance technology, this detector delivers impressive accuracy and can detect metals up to 7 inches deep, making it ideal for coins, jewelry, and even small gold finds. One of its biggest strengths is the 5 professional detection modes, including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint. These modes give users flexibility to filter unwanted metals and focus on valuable targets, saving time and effort during searches. The pinpoint mode is especially useful for accurately locating buried objects. The oversized backlit LCD screen is another highlight, offering clear visibility even in low-light conditions. Combined with intuitive controls and quick 30-second setup, this detector is very user-friendly. Its lightweight, ergonomic design and adjustable shaft make it comfortable for long detecting sessions, whether you're in a park or on the beach. Equipped with a 10-inch IP68 waterproof coil, the detector performs well in wet sand and shallow water, making it perfect for beach or riverside exploration. It also comes with useful accessories like headphones, a foldable shovel, and a carrying bag, adding great value. Users appreciate its ease of use, sturdy build, and accurate detection for the price. Overall, it's a reliable and versatile choice for hobbyists seeking performance without overspending. Number 2. The Garrett AC300 metal detector is a reliable and beginner-friendly option that delivers solid performance for everyday treasure hunting. Made in the USA, this detector combines simplicity with useful features, making it a great choice for adults who want accuracy without a steep learning curve. One of its key strengths is the digital target ID system, which uses a 0 to 99 numeric scale to help identify different types of metal based on conductivity. This feature, paired with improved iron resolution, allows users to better distinguish valuable finds from unwanted junk like nails or bottle caps. The electronic pinpointing function is another highlight, enabling precise location tracking so you can dig with confidence and minimal effort. The ACE300 also includes an adjustable frequency feature, which helps reduce interference from nearby detectors or electrical sources, ensuring a smoother experience in crowded areas. Its waterproof search coil adds versatility, allowing you to detect in wet conditions such as shallow water or damp soil. Users consistently praise its ease of use and accuracy. Some have reported finding buried objects within minutes, thanks to the responsive pinpoint system. The included accessories, like headphones and a coil cover, further enhance its value. Overall, this detector offers dependable performance, user-friendly controls, and excellent value for beginners and intermediate users alike. Number 1. The Minelab Manicor high-power multi-IQ plus waterproof metal detector is one of the most advanced metal detectors available in 2026, designed for serious hobbyists and professionals who want powerful performance across multiple terrains. Built with Minelab's innovative multi-IQ plus technology, this detector delivers up to 50% more power compared to many traditional models, allowing it to detect targets with impressive accuracy and depth. One of the standout features is the advanced 2D target ID system. This visual and audio combination helps users quickly identify valuable items while avoiding unwanted trash. With customizable audio controls and rich sound feedback, detecting becomes more precise and enjoyable, especially in challenging environments. The Manicor is also built for versatility. It includes 10 search modes such as all-terrain, beach, and goldfield, making it suitable for parks, shorelines, and gold prospecting areas. Its waterproof design, IP68 rated, allows it to operate in water up to 16 feet deep, which is perfect for beach or shallow underwater treasure hunting. Comfort is another highlight. The detector is lightweight, compact, and collapsible, folding down significantly for easy travel and storage. Many users appreciate that they can use it for hours without fatigue, and the portable design makes it convenient to carry on trips. Added features like a built-in flashlight, vibration alerts, and backlit display make nighttime or low-light detecting easier. Overall, this model offers premium performance, smart technology, and excellent durability for dedicated treasure hunters. Thanks for watching our Best Metal Detectors 2026 review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which metal detector you'd choose, or if we missed any great options. Check the description for links and deals. Happy treasure hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.